everybody, welcome back to Crystals Collectibles Bricktastic Fun. Today I'll be sharing with you my opening of set number 41663, ages 6 plus, 41 pieces, 4 of these Dalmatian sets. As you can see, I already opened them, but I did not check the animals. That's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I got 4 of these, and there's 4 different colors. I want to see if I managed to get all 4 colors or repeats of the same color. Then I'll be opening 4 of these sets, set number 41662, the Flamingo one. Same with that. Already got some open, but did not open the inside to see what animals I got. So I'll start off the Flamingos, since I got it in my hand. Now when you open the pack, you get the building instructions, the Flamingo case, a bag of Legos, which includes the mini doll, and some accessories. A sticker sheet. And a little box that contains the flamingo feathers to put on top of the box. Now I'm not going to be making up the boxes because I'm going to use these stickers and mocs. And I mainly just got the boxes for the mini dolls, the animals of course, and the pieces. The Flamingo includes a watermelon piece, a camera piece, which is going to be great in my city, the mini doll, and these boxes are pretty cool. I might use them for something else, but I'm not using them for their intended purpose. Get a little bag which has extra pieces, which is good. I didn't know this, but in this set also comes with a pink frog, which is awesome because now I got 4 pink frogs I can put around my city. And nope, that's not it. I know there's a slice of, maybe right here. Yeah, 2 watermelon slices too. So this set is awesome for me because I can use all these pieces in mocs. What's this? Oh, inside is just an ad for the other boxes, which I do plan on getting for the animals. And this is what the set looks like when you build it all up. Like I said, I'm not going to. I just got them for the pieces themselves. But that's what it looks like if you do want to build it all up. One side's like a little camera stand with the fruits. The other side's a tree with the frog, and you put the flamingo on that side. Now I'm gonna get all the animals out and show you guys. Here they are, all 4 packs. Now I am hoping to get the whole lot of them, but if I don't, that's cool. As you can see, there's a blue, purple, pink of course, and yellow. Now if I'm going to get a repeat of one, maybe the regular pink so I can put it in my zoo, or the blue because the blue one looks really cool. Let's see. First, what I got, if it wants to come out, the blue one. That's what he looks like. Really cool. The bottom looks like. Whoops. Really cute. Let's see what the next one is. Hopefully it's a different color. It is, yes, it's a pink one, so that's 2 out of 4. Hopefully the next one's a different color, and I get all 4. It is, yes, purple. Now I did get these in the huge animal packs from Walmart, so it's cool that I'm getting them so far. Come on, let this one be the yellow one. Ah, another purple. But for a mystery pack, 3 out of 4 is really good odds. Because now I can just get the yellow one on Bricklink or Bricks and Pieces, and all I gotta do is search for the yellow one, not the whole set, which is gonna save money. There's these guys. Now I'm gonna do the same for the Dalmatian. The Dalmatian set is the same. Comes with the Dalmatian, the mystery animal. I'm hoping to at least get 3 out of 4 of this one too. What's in here? Anything good in here? Party hat. Looks like just regular pieces. Party hat. Some sand, some little flowers and stuff, which is cool. I can always use flowers. Dog bone. Nothing too special. This is what this one looks like all built up. I get a camera in this one too. And balloon dog, which is awesome because again I can use these for mocks around the city. I also get the manual. That's what these stickers look like. These stickers are meant to be put in here, but again, I'm not doing that. I'm using them for the mocks. And I can use these as little, the top ones, I can use them as pictures drawn by the French girls and sold in an art shop or something. On top or on the wall of a museum as like little art pieces. The dog comes with doggy ears, 2 different colors, white and purple. This is what the big bag looks like. So you get another mini doll. There's the camera. If you guys can see it. Camera's right there. And then the balloon dog. Now I'm going to do the same with the doggies. Here are the 4 dog packs. Hopefully I get 3 out of 4 like I did with the Flamingos. Or at least all of them, 3 out of 4 are at least 2 different colors. I'm at least hoping for 2 different colors. First is the blue one. Can I show you guys? Trying to let it concentrate on the doggy. That's what the blue Dalmatian looks like. He's blue with black spots. Really cute looking puppy. See what the next one is. Purple. Alright. So far 2 out of 3. I meant 2 out of 4 like last time. Really cute. There you go. Concentrates more on the puppy. Really adorable. It's purple with purple spots. Come on, 3 out of 4 so I can just get those 2 animals, or 4 out of 4. Another blue. Strikeout so far. I might have the same thing happen where I get 3 out of 4, which would be okay. Because like I said, getting 1 of these animals is cheaper than getting them all. Oh, another purple. Whoops. So on the dog side, I only got 2 out of 4 of the new colors. Really adorable. And on the Flamingo side, I got 3 out of 4 of the Flamingos, which is awesome. I'm just going to get more of them for my city, which I will soon. I'm not worried about getting them all right now, but it's really cool to have them. Once again, if you didn't see, this is what the dog one looks like all built up. So if you're wondering if you should get this set, this is what it looks like, all built up. Now these cubes are really cool as like little play sets, but I'm just using them for the pieces. I'm not using them as the play sets. And this is what the Flamingo one looks like, all built up. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks to each and every one of you who sticks around till the end, or even watches and skips around. Either way helps me out very much. Thank you all so much for clicking on my video and watching it. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Please try to stay safe out there. And I hope each and every one of you has an amazing day.